Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu, then find clock and open it. Now tap at the plus icon and set up an hour. Then click custom, choose repeat and pick days of the week. When you're done, go back. Now click more and choose ringtone. Over here tap allow and pick your alarm melody by tapping on one of the available ones. Now go back, tap on the switcher next to vibrate to enable or disable vibrations and on the switcher next to snooze to enable or disable snooze. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added and saved. If you wanna turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!